Many people have many hair problems. This video has one solution of many hair problems. Even if your hair damaged due to any disease, if your hair is brittle, dull or thin, watch this video and find a solution with the easy ingredients. I will prepare a hair serum which gives your hair real life and strength. You can take the ingredients from your home. They are very easy ingredients. These ingredients are very powerful for your hair. You just need four ingredients. First of all, you can take rice, 2 tablespoons of rice, and here is gelatin powder. You will take 2 teaspoons, and the third one is flaxseed powder. You have to take flaxseed and just grind it in the grinder and make powder. You will take 2 teaspoon, and here is gelatin. No, this is the aloe vera. You will take aloe vera gel only, and you just take 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel. What to do? You have to boil the water, half cup of water, and then you boil rice, and you will impart the water and keep it in a bowl, and you will boil half cup of water and dissolve gelatin. Take care that there shouldn't be any lumps. And the third is flaxseed powder. You have to take boiled water and add flaxseed powder in it and then strain it. You have to just strain all three ingredients and impart the water. These three waters are ready right now. Like the first is rice water, and the second is, this is the rice water, and the second is gelatin. When you prepare the gelatin, this is gelatin. When you prepare the gelatin, this is thin right now. This is thin. When you keep it cool, it will be frozen. Okay, so the third is flaxseed water. The third is flaxseed water. This is flaxseed water. I prepared and then strain it. Okay, so first of all, we will what we do, we take aloe vera gel. This is aloe vera gel. Okay, so I will take 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel, and I will add in rice water. Okay, so this is rice water. I will add, I'm adding it. And the second thing is, second ingredient is gelatin. I will also add in this rice water. It's done right now. And the third is flaxseed water. I'm adding it in rice water. So now I'm just stir it properly. This serum right now is ready for your hair, and you can fill it in a jar and keep it in fridge or freezer, and you can use it time to time whenever you need to wash your hair. First you apply this, first you have to wash your hair, then you apply the serum after washing your hair with shampoo. Okay, apply it for 15 minutes, then rinse it with water. Believe me, you will feel a great shine and silkiness in your hair. Continuously use this serum. You will get silky, lustrous, healthy, and glossy hair. Do share this video with all of your friends. And one thing more I want to tell you, whenever you are using this avoid hard water, that is called the salty water, saltish water. Don't use it. Okay, that is very harmful for your hair. And now share this video. As I told you, these ingredients are very beneficial for your hair, so I want to tell you some benefits of these ingredients. You know, I added gelatin. Gelatin is very beneficial for hair growth. It has those protein which are important for hair. When you prepare gelatin, take care that there shouldn't be any lumps, and while dissolving it. Okay, so that is very important to you. And the other ingredient is rice. Rice is also good for hair beauty. It gives a natural smoothness to hair. Aloe vera is also essential. Aloe vera gel is a superhero for hair. Flax seeds have also plentiful protein for hair. Hope you like this video. Please share it and subscribe my channel.